Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. As always, I'm Aaron. Got something new for you today. Been doing a lot of research on these type of things for a while, and I know there's, like, from what I can see, 4 or 5 companies that do them, but basically what it is you get these companies, they come out with these boxes, if you will, of products, whether it be, camping, hiking, overland, anything outdoors, and I really like it. I really like the idea of it, especially with my very limited time and resources to buy all that stuff. I just thought it was kind of cool. So after doing research, I decided to purchase a BattlBox. As it says right there, BattlBox is a company that sells, not only do they sell these different types of boxes, they come out once a month, which I thought was kind of cool, especially because there's other companies that come out every couple of months or once a quarter or every 6 months. So one coming out every month with a lot of different gear, I thought was pretty cool. Another thing about it is they kind of have a box for every price range. They've got different, like I said, they got the different levels. They got the basic, the advanced, the pro, and the pro plus. This right here is the pro plus. It has, it's $174.99, so 175 bucks, and it's got an average value of $322. Mm-hmm. The cool thing about it is for every box that you do, like this is the Pro Plus, you also get, not only do you get the stuff that would go in the Pro Plus, you get the Pro, Advanced, and Basic. So you get everything. I thought it was kind of cool. So without further ado, let's open it up. All right. First observations, very nicely boxed. It's got everything in there all nice. There's no spare room in this thing. I like that. We got this BattlBox Survival and Outdoor Mission Brief. So apparently this is box 120. Open it up, kind of goes through everything that's in the box and gives a very good description of everything. I kind of like that. All right, so let's see what they got. All right, first off, we have, it is a Fire Sleeve Mini ruggedized, lighter, waterproof outdoor from Exotac. All right. I actually like this, pretty cool. It will fit like little Bic mini lighter put in here. I think I'm going to put it on my keychain. I'm always one to have a lighter on me because you never know when you're going to need one. Whether it be the occasional cigar or, hey, you break down in the middle of nowhere, you got to make a fire. I do have other, obviously, fire means of starting a fire, but 2 is 1 and 1 is none. So very cool. Next is Fire Plugs Fire Starter from Dextreme. All right. Okay, so these are very cool. I like these. I know a lot of people make their own. I do as well, but these are kind of cool to have, especially because they're so small. All right. So basically what you do is you fray this, fray it as much as you can. Then you could either use your lighter, or if you had a ferro rod or something to that effect, matches, whatever, you put it on there and these will light. From everything I understand, the light they go about 10-15 minutes. I've seen these online before. It's very good. Very cool. Now, speaking of ferro rods, all right. So this is from, and I'm going to butcher this, so I apologize, Uberleben. All right, and it's a ferro rod, and it looks pretty nice so far. So let's check it out first. Well, so I could say it's pretty well built. Seems pretty strong. It's got that coating on it, right? So basically right here, and it comes to your ferro rod. Oh, I didn't even notice this. So it's got the BattlBox, their logo on it, their Spartan helmet, and then it's got the Uberleben theirs up above it. So that's pretty cool. So basically what you do is you gotta get some of that coating off that they put it on. And then once you got that, sparks up nice. Very cool. All right. I'm actually really interested in this. This is the Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket. I never had one before, but I've been doing a lot of research on it because I do go outdoor, take the kids camping, especially in the RV, or if we're gonna go truck camping or tent camping, whatever. It's always nice to have these, especially because we usually got a fire going. But if you don't know this, these things are actually great for your house. If you may not know it, especially when it comes to any type of oil fire or stove fire. Basically what you do is you pull down on these handles, and well, if this was hanging up, pull down on these handles, open this up, and this blanket comes out. Kind of looks like this. I don't want to take it all the way out just because, there you go. So pretty cool. But what I was saying is you can actually put it over, smother the fire, or say, you know, you're camping out in the middle of the woods, whatever, and there is some type of forestry fire or something like that. You could put it over you, and you know, hopefully keep yourself out of the fire and not get burned. Very cool. All right, so kind of on the fire theme, they sent us, this is Prepared Hero Dual Spray Protection Kit. All right. All right, so the first one is your Vapor Clean. So let's open it up. All right, nice. I like it. It's a 20.3 fluid ounce bottle. Nice little handle. Basically what you do is you pull this little tab out and then you'll be able to spray. This one for the Vapor Clean is for ordinary combustibles like wood and paper. Class B flammable liquids, Class C electrical fires, non-toxic. So pretty cool. So basically your basic wood fire, stove fire, stuff like that, non-oiled liquids, pretty cool. All right, so this is Stop Dry fire spray. It's made by Prepared Hero. Same thing, same concept. Got the nice little handle. It's 20.3 fluid ounces, just like the other one. Pull this tab and spray. And this one is designed for adds protections against Class D flammable metals and Class K, such as cooking oils and fats. So this would be for your oil fires. If you don't have a fire extinguisher at home or anywhere you travel, you absolutely should, especially when you've got kids, stuff like that. Obviously, it's not going to work if your house is fully engulfed, but if you've got that small fire and you're able to get it out, why not? So very cool. So I am actually pretty interested in this. It's a Kelly kettle. It's the Trekker model, which I believe is their smallest model, but it still seems like a pretty good size. These things are really cool. I know everybody's got their stoves and their propane or their natural gas, or everybody's got that little prepper stoves. They got them, but these through my research, Kelly kettles have actually been around since the 1890s. And it's, I've never had one. I've never seen one in person or have owned one, but I've always wanted to. So let's take a look. All right. So first off, all right. So here's the Kelly kettle itself. It's got this nice little handle here, which I really like, right? Especially if you're you're trying to take it off the fire or stuff like that. Essentially what you do, hold it like that, be able to put it down. All right. It's got this, you got this chain here connected to the stopper, and this is actually one of their upgraded stoppers. I know the old ones used to be cork. This one is plastic or polymer, but it's actually got, tells you to point it down because there's a little whistle in there. So essentially when the water starts to boil, you'll know about it. But pull down. Here's the space right here. Fill that water up. Yep. Fill it up, replug it, and then wait till it boils. It's also, I like the design of it because essentially it's got this hole here, so when you put it on the stand, and I'll show you in a second, basically what you do is like that flame will come out here and you'll still be able to put some twigs, or man, you can even cook food if you wanted to, or roast marshmallows. Oh, nice little bag for carry everything. I like that. All right, so real quick, here's the bottom of the Kelly kettle. Basically what you do is you stick all your twigs, your roughage, anything in there, stick this on top, and then it's got these two air vents, and you can light it there, or you can even light it from the top, and then as it goes, you can either keep throwing sticks in the bottom, throw it on top, and once it's ready, you basically just lift it up, and then, so what I would do, basically, is when it's ready, is I would pop this off, and then I would hold this, take it off like this, and then when you're ready to pour, using that chain, just simply pour out like that, and that way you're not burning yourself. So very, very cool. Last thing it came with is, they call it a hobo stove, which is actually pretty cool. All right, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just putting that on top when I'm done like that, and I can put a pot on top, pan, anything, cook it. Very cool. Definitely going in one of my bags. All right, and well, real quick for the last thing, just got some stickers, a little cloth, I like that. Now, so this is the, okay, again, I'm going to butcher this, all right? This is the Civivi Cloud Peak Fixed Blade. So let's check it out. It's OD green, G10 with nickel silver guard. So it's got a satin finished. It even comes with the sheath, and it's 9.51 inches long. Nice. Let's check it out. Very nice box. Oh, check out the leather sheath first. I like that. Very well built. Let's check out the knife. Okay. Oh wow. Look at that. Check that out. You got yourself some 550 cord. Should always have some 550 cord just in case. It's already freaking super sharp. Very nice. It's definitely going in one of my camping hunting bags. Some there. So all in all, I'm very impressed. Very, very impressed. I think it was worth it. If I decide to get another next month's box, I'll let you know. I'll do a video on it. But other than that, I can't wait to test this stuff out. Well, hopefully don't have to test this stuff out, but some of this stuff, and I'll let you know how it goes. As always, I'm Aaron, and this is Sin City Productions and Outdoors. See ya.